In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale a Cloudways server. If your website traffic is growing, your campaigns are performing well, or you're preparing for a busy sales period, your server may start feeling the pressure. One of the clearest warning signs is when CPU and memory usage stay consistently high during peak hours. The good news is that Cloudways makes vertical scaling much simpler than traditional cloud setups, so you can increase server resources without going through a complicated migration process. To begin, open your browser, go to the Cloudways platform, and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, open the servers section from the top navigation and select the server that's currently hosting your busy application or website. From there, look at the menu on the left and open monitoring. This is where you'll review your CPU usage and memory graphs. Pay close attention to the patterns, not just a single spike. If those charts are frequently pushing past 80 or 90% during high traffic periods, that's a strong sign your server needs more headroom to stay fast and stable. Once you've confirmed that scaling is necessary, go back to the left side menu and click Vertical Scaling. This opens the area where Cloudways shows your current server size, your provider, and your estimated monthly cost. It's a useful checkpoint because you can see exactly what you're working with before making any changes. Next, use the sizing slider to choose your upgraded server plan. Drag the slider to the right to increase resources. For example, if your server is currently using 2 GB of RAM, moving up to 4 GB can give your site much more breathing room and improve performance under heavier load. As you adjust the slider, watch the pricing update in real time. Cloudways shows the revised cost as you scale, which helps you make a practical decision before confirming anything. When you're satisfied with the new size, click Scale Now. A confirmation message will appear to let you know the server will briefly reboot as the new hardware resources are applied. Approve the change and let Cloudways handle the rest. The platform manages the scaling process automatically in the background, and in most cases, it completes within just a few minutes. After the upgrade is finished, it's important to validate everything. Go to the Applications area, open your main website, enter Application Settings, then open the Tools tab and run a varnish purge. This clears old cached content so your site can serve fresh data from the upgraded environment. Finally, open your live website in a private or incognito browser window and test it carefully. Check that pages load properly, navigation works, and any important user flows display as expected. Then return to monitoring and confirm that CPU and RAM usage have dropped back into a healthier range. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.